Do you want to know how you can log out of your Metatrader 5 on your account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Metatrader 5 account from your PC. Without wasting any time, let's dive straight into the video. Open Metatrader 5 on your PC. If you don't have Metatrader 5, you can go to the Google and search for Metatrader 5 and download it and install it. After you install it, go ahead and open Metatrader 5. To log out of your account, firstly, you must have logged into your demo account or your real account. Now go ahead and click on this profile option, which you can see on the topest of the right hand side of your screen. After you click it, you can see your login ID over here. And if you want to log out, go and click log out. So you can just log out of your account by a single tap on your mouse. All you need to do is open Metatrader 5, click on the profile option on the top right hand side of your screen and click on log out. You can see that you have been logged out of your account. You can log into your account once again by writing down the login ID and password over here and clicking login. So guys, this is it for today. This is how you log out of your Metatrader 5 account on your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.